Have you ever woke up and wondered what was wrong with you? You knew you wanted to be elsewhere, that there was more to life than the life you were living, more than the bills you were paying, the job you were keeping. Look to the horizon, to the sunsets. Your answer is there. Put your feet on the ground and take a deep breath and step into the nomadic lifestyle. You will not regret it. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning. Bernye is chewing her pig's ear. I don't know if that's kosher for a dog. I don't know if she should be, but it's keeping her happy right now. Bernye was picked for me. Actually, I picked her. I got pick of the litter. Come here, Bernye. Let me tell you guys how I met her. There you go. In our neighborhood, we have a thing, I think online, it's about neighborhood watch, or neighborhood. Anyway, you could put your neighborhood in, and everybody who lives in that neighborhood keeps everybody apprised. So I foster, and there was a lady asking about a puppy, and I told her to check the fosters here in the area. And she asked me if I fostered, and I said no, that I had in the past, but that I was looking to get a puppy. I just had to wait to find one that was homegrown, because she likes to stand in her water bowl. Because the puppies coming into Arizona are usually parvo-ridden and disease-ridden, and look at her. Silly dog. Get that water, Bernye. Kill that bull. So anyway, the lady, the breeder, and she's not even a breeder, her name is Jessica. Jessica contacted me and said she had a female Australian cattle dog that was pregnant and due, and I'd be welcome to one of the puppies if I wouldn't mind an interview. And I said, oh, absolutely. Well, Jessica and her girlfriend came over, and 4 hours we sat and talked, and I got to visit and meet Mom and Dad, Naoma, I don't think I said that right. And the daddy's name is Willie. Willie Nelson. That's why I was going to originally name her Stevie. But anyway, so the puppies weren't due until around August, the first week of August, maybe even the second. She didn't know when her female had gotten pregnant, because they never intended for her to get pregnant. Both her dogs, her male and her female, are service certified animals. They're beautiful animals. I'll post pictures of them here. Kill that bull, Bernye. She's so precious, you guys. Besides the 4 a.m., I gotta get up, Mom. But anyway, so Bernye was born early. And I got a message one day on the 20th of July from Jessica, and she said, the puppies were born this morning. Well, it just so happened that it was on the very day that my father-in-law, Bernye, died. And not to mention that my dad's name is Bernye. So I wanted a boy originally, but when the litter came out and I seen her, I picked her. And so I thought, well, a girl could be named Bernye, hence the name Bernye. But I went and seen Bernye every week, whenever I could, and held her from the time she was born until the day I picked her up. So Bernye has known her name. She's known me. She's so precious, you guys. And that's how Bernye came to be. See, guys, I can't do fostering anymore. I can't do it. You get a dog, and you know, all dogs are different, and all dogs reflect the person who raised them. And the best way for me to bond, I don't know about others, because I still advocate rescue, is to raise one from this age. These dogs are very loyal. They're very intelligent. They're very independent. They're bold. They're protective. And Bernye has already shown all those traits. She's an incredible little dog. She gets her shots today, and it breaks my heart that I'm glad I'm not giving them. I used to give shots, and I'm so glad I'm not giving shots today. So I would like you all to help me welcome Bernye into my world. I'm going to be videoing her as she grows, so you will all get to see her grow up. She got a collar on this morning. I think it's just too big. Her daddy weighed 30 pounds. Her mommy weighed 35 when she got pregnant. She weighed a lot more than that when I met her. They thought the first litter this dog had, she had one puppy. One little puppy. Where you going, Bernye? Come back up here. There hers is. Hi, Herthers. Hi, Herthers. So anyway, the mom and dad, I forgot I lost total track. I get so engrossed in her. She's just an incredible little dog. Anyway, there was a litter of 10. 8 boys, 2 girls. The 2 girls are the only ones that came out with the very light blue eyes like Bernye's. Kill it, Bernye. Her sister's mostly white, but if you read up on Australian cattle dogs, they are born mostly white, if not all white. Hi. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. Oh, you guys, look at this little dog. She's such a trip. Are you going to go stand in your water bowl some more? Hmm? She's so cute, you guys. She's so protective already. She hears a noise and she stands right by me. We're working on potty training right now. She's standing in her water bowl. Back feet now, Mom. Back feet. I'm sorry that's out of focus. I don't quite know how to get it to focus. There we go. She's playing in her water bowl. Oh, God. You drink it, splash it around. I guess I'll have to get her a little kiddie pool. So anyway, you guys will watch as Bernye grows up on my channels, both of my channels. Like I said, she turned 6 weeks old yesterday. That would be September the 31st. She was born on a Saturday, a Shabbat at that. So, yeah, welcome Bernye, everybody. I know that right now she's kind of boring, but playing around in her water bowl, she's going to lay in it. Oh, my God. Bernye, what are you doing? Bernye? Shh. What are you doing, silly girl? She just happy as pie laying in that water bowl. Anyway, I hope I gave you guys enough information. You know, I've got so many videos of her and pictures from the time she was born with me. Like I said, she gets her shots today. I'm going to... Aw, such a good girl. Where's your pig's ear? I don't know if that's kosher, but me and my roommate were debating. Can a kosher household have pig ears for their dogs? Yeah, right? You're welcome to put your input in video under the comments below. Anyway, guys, you have a great day. Enjoy the videos. I've taken a lot of her just playing since she got home. She's been home 24 hours at 7 a.m. this morning. She rode home with me on my scooter on loose. Yes, she did. I put her in my shirt, and home we came. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. I need to hold her. Yeah, I like to hold her when she goes to sleep. She's been up for an hour now. She's tired. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Remember to love yourself. Because if you don't love you, nobody's going to love you. And remember, pay it forward. The lady Jessica, I have to shout out to you, Jessie. What an amazing gift. Thank you for taking the time to let me spend with her. and thank you for your beautiful male and female. So, oh, I know what I was saying real quick. She'll lay right in that bowl. Scared of that. Oh, I guess if it makes her happy, right? But anyway, she fell asleep in her water bowl. Oh my God, she's fallen asleep in her water bowl. Bernye, now you want me to pick you up. So anyway, the mother's first litter was just one puppy. So when Jessie interviewed me, she said, you know, there may not be but a couple puppies. And I said, I'll take whatever you have for me. So the day they were born, she sent me a picture of all these. Every puppy, you guys, you'll see in the pictures, came out with the most beautiful markings. There's one little guy, they call him Gus Gus. He is personality plus. But anyway, this time she had 10 puppies. 2 of the puppies, the biggest one, George, and the runt, died the first week after birth, and that left 8 incredible, beautiful puppies. She lets her female birth and wing and raise them naturally, which is great. She's very secure, this little dog. But anyway, I gotta go. I gotta get ready to go get her shots. And I gotta pick her up. She's just too cute. Anyway, I hope you all have a blessed day. Remember to love yourself and remember to pay it forward. Peace. See, peace, peace, out. Out. Bernye. Kill the rabbit. Kill the rabbit. My feet. My goodness, child. What are you doing, silly baby? Silly baby. No, not the coffee table. That's right. Get your tuffy. No, no. Ow. So, go get your red dog. Come here. Come here. Right here. Come here. Come here, Bernye. Right here, Bernye. Oh, mommy got. Oh, her got your red dog. Uh-oh. Kill it, Bernye. Kill it. No, not the carpet. Here. Get it. Get it, Bernye. Get it. Get it, Bernye. Get it, Bernye. Are you going to take that outside?
This is a trip, huh?
Oh, yeah. Kill the rabbit, Bernye. Monster baby. Ah! Not the feet. Oh, you're bad. Not the table. Here, Bernye. Just a minute. I might have to cut this one out. Come over here. She picked this one up earlier and took off running with it. Right here. Right here. Maybe I need...
Girls.
Yep, gotta get a ball. Who'd that burn? The sisters. The sisters.
You goofball.
They're like, hey, that's the food lady. Oh my God, they're so cute.
They're not in here anymore at all, right, Mom? No.
Remember I told you last week, they won't be in there much longer.
That lasted a whole 2 days.
At least it absorbed some of the...
I just want to squish a puppy. Oh.
The good thing is they're not peeing and sleeping in it. That's about all that's good for. I cannot believe how big these babies. Look at these two.
Oh my goodness.
Look at him sleeping up against the fence. She turned 6 weeks old today. Hi, Bernye. There she goes. Her gonna go exploring. Are you gonna go exploring? Are you? Hey, baby girl. Oh, is that mom? Bernye, is that mommy? Look here, she's gonna play with my shoe. Is that mom? Watch it. Watch it. She's like, oh, I don't know about that. Oh God, she's so precious, Elliot. Oh, hi, Bernye. Are you going to show the world those little blue eyes?
Look at that face.
I know, I'm trying to get her face. What do you smell? What do you smell? Well, I sure don't smell my sibling. Bernye! Bernye! Hi, Bernye. She's just not going to look up at me. She's exploring her first day. Good girl. Oh, nip, nip. Oh, she's on the rocks. Oh, she's on the rocks, people. Good girl, Bernye. See, I told you those rocks wouldn't hurt you. What are you smelling? Oh, so many smells, Mommy. Her little tail. What? What, Miss Thing? Are you ready for a drink? Oh, you're going to attack Mommy. I got toys for you. Boy, have I got toys for you. She peed twice. She peed again right there. Good girl, Bernye. Good girl. Where's the good girl? Come on, Bernye. Come on, Dad. She goes, no, I like it out here. Good girl, Bernye. Good girl. Well, that's 2 spots. She really had to pee.
Whoop.
Oh, right into the... She's going to poop again. Go potty. Be good girl. Go potty. I see you pooping out. Come on. Let's go. Mommy will take you. Come on, Bernye. Come on, Bernye. Good girl. Good. That's a good girl right there. You're only going to get poked by that plant one time, Bernye. That's all it took, Mama. Where are you going? Hot shot. Get it, Bernye. You gonna get it? Can't even keep track of her. She's gotta go again. Kill that hose. You kill that hose. You ready to go in? No? She goes, what's in? She was bred outside. She's been outside her whole life.
She's always been outside.
Yeah. I don't think she's done pooping. What's that green stuff? She goes, I don't know what the hell that is. Look at her.
She's chubby.
Well, she just ate breakfast.
A little chubby.
When I got there, they had her in the tub washing her. What, Bernye? And I got the dryer off. And that's when Jessica goes, well, everybody, that's Bernye. That's my surprise.